How to add icon in text on Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add icons to your Notion pages to give your workspace a more personal or professional touch. Stick around till the end because I'll walk you through every step to make your Notion dashboard look clean, colorful, and easy to navigate. So let's jump right in. First, open up your browser and head over to notion.so. That's the official website for Notion. Once the homepage loads, click on the login button at the top right. Now, if you've signed up using your Google account, you can just hit continue with Google. Choose the right Google account that's linked with your Notion workspace and you'll be logged in no time. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see all your pages and workspaces laid out. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one where you want to make the changes. Now find the page where you want to add the icon. Click to open it up. At the very top of that page, hover over the title area. You'll see an Add Icon button appear. Go ahead and click it. Notion will automatically add a random emoji icon for you, but you can change it to whatever fits your vibe. Click the icon again and a little window will pop up. From here, you can either browse Notion's icon library or upload your own image if you want something super custom. Once you've picked your favorite icon, you can also customize the color theme of your page to match it. This gives everything a nice, cohesive look and makes navigation easier, especially when you've got a ton of pages. And that's it, you've just added an icon to your Notion page. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to drop a like and subscribe for more Notion tips. Thanks for watching.